All right, well, we're on the home stretch trying to get this engine out. Unfortunately, I don't have the proper tool. Technically, I do. This is a E12. This particular socket's made by Owl Tools, a great little product. The problem is on the back of the firewall to where the engine is, there's not enough space. You can't get a bite on it. Even with a swivel or a universal joint, you don't have enough room to get up past the transmission onto the bolt itself. So unfortunately, we're going to use some sacrificial tools here, and we're going to make our own. I'm going to go ahead and weld this into place. Go ahead and fire up the Prime Weld 180, great little unit, and we'll get started. So let's see how this turns out. Stay tuned. All right, well, we wound up being successful in our little homemade tool. That bolt sits back here. Here's your firewall. You have no room to get the socket with a wrench on it. So you do need I would recommend the E12 ratcheting wrench for sure, with the adjustability of the head. So as you can see, we were able to achieve it, locked in just enough, broke it loose, and unfortunately I was able to use my fingers. So now we only have, I think, 2 more, and we're ready to pull this dude out.